Come on.
Can we get out of here? I think we can get out of here through here without too much drama. Where are they shooting? Can hear it. I just can't work out what direction it's actually coming from. Oh well. Okay, let's try some stuff. It's just started raining as well, which is not good. Here's like I've actually got a mark on the lens as well, which I can't get rid of. Next thing is actually sort of doing it at speed with a oh, this boost is going to be great, guys. Nice. Also kind of works when you actually each time it's different, so you've got different obviously inputs and stuff. And kind of when you come to the ground, give it enough. See, that one's completely off. So with that one as well. So with that one. Oh, just click. It's not easy when you're sort of coming out of them because obviously there's so many. I need to be a bit tighter. There's so many other obstacles in there. Not the ideal place for doing it really, but you get the idea. Come on. Right, mate. Did you see me behind you?
I thought someone shouting at me.
Oh my god, that's more than a dodgy prop. Look, it's actually broken and it's still flying on that. Right, where is he? Can't find him, can't see him anywhere. Oh yeah, there he is. Right. Let's try and get through these trees here. I'm not going to be able to go that fast because this is going to be pretty sketchy trying to shortcut him. But there he goes. Oh, like he's ripping down the outside of the field now. Oh, I can get to him. I just don't want to be hitting any branches. Oh, my goggle battery is so low. Like 5%. I've literally smashed this entire battery for this whole day of just flying. I didn't even think to bring another goggle battery. There he is. Right.
There he is.
Right. Come on. What are you doing? No, it's taking it easy. It's taking it easy over the over the logs and stuff. It's wicked round here. I should bring the e-bike around here. Well, I am on an e-bike, but a high power one. Right, come on. Oh, he's losing me. Oh, for it. Right, just flip under here. He's coming past me now, where I'm sitting. Right. Oh, where's he going? He's not going down the dip. Oh, I don't know this bit. Right, let's try and... Oh, hey, oh, right, yeah. Right, that's it. I'm all good. Oh, watch them branches. Right, I've got him. It's good having something to chase though, guys. Yay! So we can get a bit of air there. Wicked. Oh, my battery's getting low. I bet you see me.
Oh, battery!
Yeah, this ain't good. This ain't good at all. Oh. It's gonna drop all of a sudden. Oh, pretty trees. Yeah, wicked. I think he's coming.
That's crazy.